Hi guys, I'm Canine Crooner Finostin here, and today I'm going to look at this shelcore musical animal box. Yep, it's the vintage 1995 shelcore animal music box. Here it is, and it has stars, music notes all over, and they got and they got animal friends. They got a cat, a bear, and a blue dog. A yellow cat, a red bear, and a blue dog. In the back, it has a battery compartment, and it has a little speaker. It's made by Shelcore in 1995, and I think these stars right here will light up. That's a really cute toy, by the way. Yep, so let's take a look. And this toy has a little bit of yellow stuff right here, but I don't, maybe it's tears, I don't know. Maybe it's tears, or I mean not tears. I don't know what that thing's called. Yep, so that's a really cute toy. So goodbye guys, and have a great day.